Baccarat, attributed to, red crystal vase with flowers and finches, circa 1880. Founded under Louis XV, the French crystal manufacturer Baccarat demonstrated its excellence at the universal exhibitions throughout the 19th century. These ruby-hued blown crystal scroll vases feature acid-etched and gilded decoration. The Japanese-style decoration features two pairs of finches in different positions. They move through a landscape of roses and other flowers on a carpet of flowering grass. The influence of Japanese prints is perceptible in the theme, as well as in the way the space is constructed and the landscape and animals are depicted. The Baccarat crystal works produced a number of ruby-colored vases with designs very similar to this one in the 1880s. A set of 3 scroll vases of similar shape and decoration, with gilded bronze mounts bearing the crystal maker's stamp, went to Drouot.